Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about compound interest. For question number 1 or A, Middle invests $1,500 at rate of 4.2% per year compound interest. So calculate the value of the investments at the end of 5 years. So we can see that for A, what are given there? Say that the initial or the principal value that equals to $1,500, and then we have the rate 4.2% or 0.42, and then n equals to 5. Now we can apply the formula that compound interest equals to a p1 plus r to the power of n. So that's 1,500, 1 plus 0.42 to the power of 5. So then this is 1,500, 1,042 to the power of 5. And then a that equals to 1842.6. So that's exactly the value of the investments at the end of 5 years. How about B? When you look at to B, what we can find that given is there that Hintanshi invests some money at the rate of X per year compound interest. At the end of 11 years, the value of the investment has doubled. It means that the P equals to 2P after 11 years, and then the R X out of 100 or X percent, and then the N, that's 11 years. We can apply the same formula that A P1 plus R power N. So A is 2P equals to P 1 plus X out of 100 to the power of 11. Now we can cancel this. Then that turns into 2 equals to 1 plus X out of 100 power 11. We can assume that this is as A, so that we can write down that into 2A power 11. 2A power 11. So when it is 2A power 11, then we can solve it by writing down that A power 11 to the power of 2. This can be written as 2 to the power of 1. So A power 11, you times with to the power of 1 out of 11, and then 2, 1 times 1 out of 11. So both sides, we can simplify them. Then this is going to be cancelled. So A equals to 2, 1 out of 11. Now we change again the value of A into 1 out of 1 plus X out of 100 equals 2, 1 out of 11. So then X out of 100 equals to 2, 1 out of 11 minus 1. 2, 1 out of 11, that equals to X out of 100, 1.0641. And then you minus that with 1. So X, can be found at 6.41 after you multiply with 100. Okay, I hope that this is gonna help all of you guys, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment, and more likes to make these contents more variative, and then to make this YouTube channel grow bigger. Thank you for the support.